Hi everyone. So this is how you smuggle back, well not smuggle because it's legal to bring, but this is how you bring back a bunch of Glühwein um when you are taking the train. It would work flying as long as you check the bag, obviously, because I've done it with flying. But anyway, so this is one of our Turkish towels, which I've wrapped in the bottom here. And then on top of here, I had a packing cube as well, that had some clean clothing in it to give it some extra cushioning. And then in the front here, I just had a whole bunch of other stuff in there. But so there was a packing cube of clothes on top. And then there is this, which I've wrapped, as you can see, tucked it under. So you bring it back. There is a pair of tights in between them on to keep them from rolling into each other. They're in the little channels of the suitcase, and they are inside Tim's socks. So that's how you bring back Glühwein.